Imagine powering down America's highways with an engine so dominant, it's earned the title the Highway King. Today, we're diving deep into the powerhouse that is the Cummins ISX15, a legend on wheels, revered by truckers and fleets nationwide. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could change how you see highway freight forever. Let's kick off with the basics, because every king needs a throne. The ISX15, later branded as the X15, is not just another diesel engine. It's a finely tuned machine engineered to deliver up to 600 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 2,050 pound-feet of torque. That's raw power, optimized for the relentless demands of long-haul trucking across America's vast landscapes. But here's a question for you. Ever wonder what keeps an engine like this running smooth mile after grueling mile without breaking a sweat? Hint, it's more than just brute strength. The ISX15 integrates advanced electronic controls that fine-tune fuel delivery and combustion timing. This means the engine adapts instantly to conditions, whether climbing steep mountain grades or cruising the flatlands at 65 miles per hour. Think of it as having a brain under the hood, smart enough to balance power with fuel efficiency and emissions compliance. Now, before you start picturing a giant roaring monster guzzling diesel, let me throw in a little surprise. The X15 is equipped with a sophisticated emissions system designed to keep it clean and green, meeting the toughest EPA regulations without sacrificing performance. Imagine the irony, a beast on the road that's also eco-friendly. Who knew green could sound so powerful? So, what makes this engine a true highway king beyond just horsepower and eco-tech? Durability. The ISX15 is built like a tank, with components designed to withstand hundreds of thousands of miles of heavy-duty operation. Its robust construction and modular design simplify maintenance, cutting downtime and saving fleets thousands of dollars annually. After all, in trucking, time literally is money. Speaking of money, here's where things get really interesting. Fleets that have switched to the ISX15 report significant improvements in fuel economy, sometimes up to 5% better than their previous engines. In an industry where every drop of fuel counts, that's a game changer. But wait, it's not just about economy. Power delivery remains consistently strong, even under heavy loads or adverse weather. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. By now, you might be wondering, with so many advanced features and benefits, is there a catch? Well, hold on, because the story gets even more compelling. The X15 is continuously evolving. Cummins didn't stop at just building a great engine. They've developed a whole ecosystem of telematics and diagnostics tools that keep operators connected in real time. Imagine catching minor issues before they become major failures. This proactive approach not only extends engine life, but also keeps trucks on the road, not in the shop. Before we wrap up, let's play a quick game. What do you think is the most underestimated feature of the ISX15? Is it the power, the fuel efficiency, or the smart tech under the hood? Drop your guess in the comments. You might be surprised by the answer. But here's the cliffhanger that every trucker needs to hear. Cummins just announced an all-new iteration of the X15 with even smarter technology and enhanced performance metrics set to redefine highway trucking once again. Curious? You want to be first in line when that hits the streets. So, whether you're behind the wheel or managing a fleet, the Cummins ISX15/X15 isn't just an engine. It's the heartbeat of American trucking, driving the economy, powering lives, and setting the standard for what a highway king truly is. Thanks for watching. If you want more in-depth breakdowns of legendary truck engines and the tech that powers them, hit subscribe and ring that bell, because the road to trucking mastery starts here.